Machines are learning faster than ever. But do you know how they learn? It's not magic. It's a mix of methods that might surprise you. Let's uncover the secret in just 2 minutes. First, we have supervised learning. It's like training with the answer key. The algorithm is given labeled data, like identifying emails as spam or not spam. Once trained, it predicts new outcomes. Think of your email inbox, voice assistants, or even predicting housing prices. Then, there's unsupervised learning. No labels, no instructions, just raw data. The algorithm organizes it, finding hidden patterns like grouping customers by shopping behavior. It's how streaming platforms know what you'll binge watch next. Finally, reinforcement learning. It's like teaching a pet through rewards. The algorithm learns by trial and error, improving every time. This is how robots play games better than humans and cars drive themselves. 3 methods, endless possibilities. But here's a thought. Can a machine ever learn to care about its decisions, or will it always remain coldly logical? Drop your thoughts below. Curious for more? Hit subscribe now, and let's explore the future of AI together.